Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use cheats on Red Dead Redemption. Alright, let's begin. To enable cheats in Red Dead Redemption on mobile, start by opening the game and heading to the main menu. From there, open the Settings menu on your device. Once you are in Settings, tap on the Options section to continue. Inside the Options menu, scroll until you find the Cheats section. Tap on Cheats to open the full list of available cheat options. Here you will see multiple cheats that can be turned on or off. Select the cheat you want to use, such as a bad guy or gameplay modifier, and switch it to the on position. After selecting a cheat, confirm the action by tapping OK when prompted. This step is important to make sure the cheat is properly activated. You can repeat this process for any other cheats you want to enable. Once enabled, return to the game and the cheats will take effect immediately during gameplay. Keep in mind that cheats may affect game progress or achievements depending on the version you are playing. Use them mainly for fun or experimentation. So, that's basically how you can use cheats on Red Dead Redemption. That's it for this video. Thanks.